In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional draft document in Microsoft Word using Copilot. We'll keep this simple, practical, and easy to follow so you can go from a blank page to a polished first draft in just a few minutes. This is a great way to speed up your writing process, especially if you need help getting started or organizing your ideas. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Starting with a blank page gives Copilot a clean space to work in, and it helps you focus on building the draft from scratch. Once your new document is open, look for the Copilot icon that appears directly on the blank page. Click that icon to open the prompt box. This is where you'll tell Copilot what kind of document you want it to create for you. Now type a clear description of the document you need. Be specific about the topic and also mention the style you want. For example, you can describe whether you want the writing to sound formal, professional, concise, or detailed. The clearer your instructions are, the better the draft Copilot can generate. If your prompt is too vague, the result may be more generic, so it helps to give enough direction right from the start. After entering your prompt, click the Generate button and give Copilot a few moments to create your initial draft. Depending on the length and complexity of your request, this may take a short moment. Once it appears, you'll have a complete starting point that you can build on. Next, read through the generated text carefully. This is an important step because the first draft is meant to save you time, but it may still need adjustments. Use the prompt box again to ask Copilot for revisions. You can tell it to make the document shorter, more formal, clearer, or to include specific details. This back and forth process is one of the most useful parts of working with Copilot because it lets you refine the draft without having to rewrite everything yourself. When you're happy with the result, click Keep to insert the text into your document. From there, make any final personal edits directly in Word. This is your chance to fine-tune the wording, correct anything that needs a human touch, and make sure the document matches your exact needs. Finally, save your completed document to your computer so your work is secure and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully created a professional draft document in Microsoft Word using Copilot. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.